Tiny Tumbles TV.
Hi friends! Welcome to Tiny Tumbles TV! Look at all these happy fruits! They're so excited to play with you today!
Get ready for a fruity challenge. I'm going to show you 30 close-up slides of delicious fruits. If you're intelligent, you'll guess them all. Let's begin. Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Banana.
Banana.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Orange.
Orange.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Apple.
Apple.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Pear.
Pear.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Peach.
Peach.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Mango.
Mango.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Plum.
Plum.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Blackberry.
Blackberry.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Cranberry.
Cranberry.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Fig.
Fig.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Lime.
Lime.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Apricot.
Apricot.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Nectarine.
Nectarine.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Honeydew.
Honeydew.
Guess the fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.